Okay, I'm going to quickly go over a video on how to remove and install Unibiker radiator braces. First thing is, you get your tank off the bike. Here's your shroud bolt. I'll just leave that in there. You undo these two first, and then you will use this extension and go through this hole to get to the other two. Once you get to those, you will have to manipulate this side right here. You want to undo this crossover brace, this one right here only. Leave it connected to there. And it's sort of hard to get your Allen wrench in there because it's right in the way of all this. So you've got to be able to pull this up, hold this up to right here, get your hand in there and get it loose. Then you go over to the bike. This one already had the other shrouds or other radiator braces or brackets off. So the same thing. You're just going to undo the radiator, go back through here, tighten those bolts. This was actually bent. I had to use a block of wood like over here and a rubber hammer, straighten it all out. And I had to put this radiator shroud bolt in because it just wouldn't stay up there to get these next bolts in. Anyways, it makes it real easy. You just button it all back up, put your tank back on, and you're ready to go with some good protection. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. This is YouTube channel Eagle of Judah. And yeah, this is a beta 17 transferring over to the 19. Radiator braces do transfer over. Not sure about the 2020. We'll be finding that out next.